Hello? Anybody up there? Yo-ho! Come out, wherever you are. Oh, there you are. Well, it's me, Big Bird, and welcome to Sesame Street. Oh boy, I think I got a letter. Oh, I did. And it's the letter Q. That means it's letter Q today on Sesame Street. All the games and videos in the playlist will have the letter Q in them.
Quack!
A duck? Hey, excuse me. I think you're making a mistake. You're a duck. Duck does not start with the letter Q.
No, but quack does. Quack, quack, quack. Happy letter Q day, everybody. Quack.
Quite. Oh, I know what this is. It's the green play button. You click on it to start the playlist. See? 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 Oh, hi, welcome back. While you were away, I made up a poem on the computer. Here it is. I love my computer. It is very dear. This is the mouse. The keyboard's over here. The end. Thank you. Now, on to something else that's fun to do on the computer. Hey, do you see those buttons up there? Well, click on them for more things to see and do. To play games, move your star to this blue button, and then click. To watch Sesame Street videos, click on this orange button right here. Great. For more playlists of games and videos, click on this purple button. Click on this red button to visit your Sesame Street friends. See? To go to your own My Street section, where you can keep your favorite videos and games, click on the pink button. To choose one of these buttons, move your star to it and click. Go ahead, give it a try. Don't forget, today is letter Q day.